What's the meaning of commendably? Commendably. Commendably.
Commendably. Commendably. Commendably is an adverb that describes something that is done in a praiseworthy or admirable manner. If someone performs a task commendably, it means they did it with excellence and met or exceeded expectations. It implies that the person was diligent, skillful, and efficient in their work. The result of performing a task commendably often leads to positive outcomes such as increased productivity, improved quality, and enhanced reputation. In short, when something is done commendably, it is done with great care and precision, earning recognition and respect for the person who did it.